they will erode the rocks, they will sort them, and then they would deposit them. So the most common thing that comes out of a glacier's movement is till, which is a section right there. It's super compact. It's very hard to dig through. If you've taken a till sample, you know that it's what we call a BITCH. Can't use a swear word, so there you go, I said that instead. So the whole point here is for me to show you that, yes, there's quaternary geology where you talk about the superficial geology, which I will in just a minute, but I do want to talk about the significance of why it's important to know about quaternary geology. It's one thing to map an area, it's another thing to know, so how is it going to help me find gold? Which is like the whole point of this area, is that there's the Rattling Brook gold deposit, and which is what we're interested in, and we want to see how the soil is going to help us figure out where the gold is. Okay, so let's look at this map here. So all I think you guys can see right now is the brown, the light green, and the blue. So the brown is all the rock. This area, there's not a lot of till here, so most of these are really highly elevated areas. This is part of the long range inlier, and that's the start of the long range mountains. So there's little to no till in this area, except for in the middle bits in here, where there's a bit of space for the glaciers to deposit the till. So all the green stuff here is all the till, and it's a till veneer, which means it's less than 1 meter thick. So if you have a till that's less than 1 meter thick, and if you look at a soil profile, it means there's not a lot of sea horizon till. It's all B. It's super weathered out, because if you only have this much till and you have water constantly going through it through rainfall, snowstorms, or whatever, there's not going to be a lot of like unweathered material. It's all going to be super oxidized, and that's not a good thing. So the first thing we can notice is that most of this area has a lot more till, and a lot of this is mostly rock.